Hi, good day. It's Mike of Dog Trainer Cebu. I'm with my dog, Diego. In this video, I'll discuss to you what is structured play. So, sa structured play, dapat yung dog knows when to access the toy. Because we're playing, I'm gonna play with my dog using a toy. Ito yung toy, okay? So, the only time that the dog should be able to access the toy is if I say, "Chup!" That is my reward marker. And another thing about the structured play is dapat the dog should bring it back. Once you call the dog should come back with the toy. Come, aus, aus. Another thing that the dog must know when you have a dog that knows structured play is when to let go of the toy. So if I say OUT or the word out or aus, if I say that, the dog must let go. Good. Yeah, good. And then the dog will bring the toy back so that we can play more. Aus. Chup. And then another important part when playing with your dog is also making sure that you reward the dog for letting go of the toy. Aus. Chup. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Aus. Plats. Now, plats. Guys, when you are playing with your dog, it's not just all play lang. Kasi yung reward event is me playing with the dog. I'm actually using that as a reward for obedience. So I'm gonna insert a little bit of obedience here while I'm with my dog playing here. Puss. So this is a